Hi guys, welcome to Tap Dance tutorial. My name is Anna and today I want to share with you 4 golden rules that you need to learn, you need to understand if you want to tap dance. So let's start. First rule you need to know, you need to keep the rhythm. There's no other way to say it. You need to keep the rhythm. All the steps that you know, you need to be able to do it with the rhythm. So you need to follow the music or the band or backing track or whatever. You need to keep the rhythm. Don't forget this, because sometimes we get caught up in like learning some very difficult step and we forget to put them with the music. So keep the rhythm. Second rule, your ankle, keep it mellow like this. Okay, so if you want to feel it, what you can do is simply shake your leg. You see, relax your ankle, and basically the sensation, you need to have it all the time. The movement in tap dancing comes from the leg, the knee, not from the ankle. It's not the ankle who is tapping, it's the rebound created by the third rule, which is the up and down movement. So you need to keep this up and down movement, which is not going to be very easy because it's not really natural at first. I remember it takes a bit of time to feel this system, this sensation. But then you're, it's like everything. The more you repeat, then your body gets the habit to do it, and then you build this rebound that you will need very often. The last rule is watch out your body weight. Your body weight needs to be centered, because if you're a dancer, you know already, if you have too much body weight on one side, then it will take you years to change the other side. And basically the body weight, it's what's allow you to go faster, because if you keep centered, you will move the legs much faster than if you have to do this and then this and then this and then this, you know what I mean? So this is very, very important. So these are 4 basics. So the first, keep the rhythm. The second is I forgot. The second is keep your ankle mellow, very mellow. The third is the up and down movement that builds the rebound. And the fourth is the body weight. That's it for today. So please subscribe if it's your first time here, and give a thumbs up as well. And I see you on the next one.